With the newest update on your Autel Android-based tool, you now have access to the Security Gateway module on 2018 and newer Fiat Chrysler vehicles in North America. Autel has made this process very simple to access with 3 simple steps: authorize, confirm, and access. We're going to go through the process of how this works in the most simple form, and all information can be found on our website and in the link in the description below. When doing this process, on mine I'm using the IM608, make sure that you're connected to the internet. A good internet connection is required to be able to do this authentication with AutoAuth. We're going to start the process the exact same way that we always have by going into diagnostics and auto-VINing the vehicle. On this particular vehicle is a 2019 Jeep Wrangler, so we're going to auto ID it and get all that information. There's our VIN number and all of our vehicle information. Our next step is a disclaimer. This is only valid for Autel North America. That includes Canada, the US, and Mexico. If you are outside of that area, the process may be different for your region. Each region is specific, and we have an agreement with Fiat Chrysler America for this process. So we're going to select OK. Now it's going to go through the process. It will start reading all the modules in the vehicle and communicating with the vehicle. During this process, the vehicle is going to give the scan tool a code or an authorization. That authorization or code is going to then go to AutoAuth. AutoAuth is our security between Fiat Chrysler America and your scan tool. AutoAuth takes the password from the scan tool, passes it to FCA's server to make sure that this is a confirmed and North America VIN, and then it passes back a code that will access the Security Gateway module from the scan tool. All of this goes via the internet, so this speed may depend on your internet connection. This is where we start our first step in our 3-step process, and that is authorize. We need to get authorized by AutoAuth to be able to access the next step. To do that, from this screen, if you don't already have your AutoAuth ID, you can select New User Registration. Whenever you select New User Registration, it will take you directly to the AutoAuth site. You can select Register Now and enter all of your information into the system. From there, you will enter your shop's information and your tool information. The tool information is very critical. AutoAuth needs to know the model of your tool and the serial number. The serial number can be found on the back of the tool underneath the barcode. If the tool and the serial number do not match, your access will be denied. Make sure you take the time to enter the correct tool and the proper serial number into your AutoAuth account. Once that is done, you can use that username and password and enter it into the tool. We then select Log In. This is where the exchange of information happens. We send the password out of the vehicle to AutoAuth. AutoAuth verifies that password and sends us a code back. We apply that code to the vehicle, and then the Security Gateway module will open. So you can see, once all that information exchanges, the Security Gateway module is now open. And we can connect to that car and do all of our active tests, special functions, reading and clearing of codes. So this easy 3-step process: authorize, go to the AutoAuth website and get your username and password. Confirm, enter that information into the scan tool, and access, we give you direct access to this vehicle. This easy 3-step process will be laid out in the description below, and all the information you need will be found on the Autel.com website. I'm Chad from Autel Diagnostics. If you have any questions, reach out to our tech support line or visit us at Autel.com.